Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Dave from WebFit Performance here. What I'm going to take you through today is the banded kettlebell swing. Okay, so what this is going to do is just add a little bit more resistance to our swing, and it's going to add a little bit more eccentric pull as we come back down, okay, because of the band. Alright, if you do like this video, please give it a like, please give it a share, and please leave a comment on how you find the banded kettlebell swing, okay? So, to start off, through the kettlebell, so we've got a nice loop, then I want you to pull the other loop all the way through, okay? So it's on there. Then what I want you to do is bring it so it's all the way down the side, so you spread the loops all the way down and create a triangle, alright? From this position, we step into the triangle, making sure it's wrapped around the feet, like so, and this is going to create the resistance on the kettlebell swing as we swing, okay? So from here, as you will have seen in the previous video, how to kettlebell swing. If you haven't, go back, alright? That gives you all the fundamentals. Driving from the hips, neutral spine, hinging from that hip position, okay? From there, start, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see with the band, it really pulls you back into that center position, so you have to control that eccentric load and phase. You can pick what band you want depending on how difficult you want it to be, okay? I would recommend with a really thin band to start with, just to improve your position, all right, and to get used to the technique and the eccentric part. What I do as well, if it's safe to do so, I'll always train barefoot or in socks, because I want my toes to actually do the gripping and stabilizing work, not just in a flat foot. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you in the next video.